Hello everybody, this is Scott at Porsche Silver Spring. I just wanted to introduce you to our 2022 Porsche Macan S, finished over in Volcano Gray. This is one of our exclusive cars. And as I want to walk around it, I'll go over some of the exclusive options for you on this particular vehicle. So we have Volcano Gray Metallic. We also have these nice 21-inch GT design wheels, finished over in black. You can get these wheels as an option from the factory, or you can get them through Porsche Tech Equipment. There's the rears. Also, as we make our way to the back here, we also have sport exhaust tips finished in black. That's available from the factory or available through Porsche Tech Equipment as well, through our dealership in the parts department. As we made our way around the vehicle, we got a good look at it and the Porsche exclusive options through Tech Equipment, parts department, and from the factory. We're gonna go inside and take a look. As you can see on the ground here, we have Puddle light projectors through Porsche. You can get them through Porsche Tech Equipment. You can also get those from the factory as well. Take a look at our interior here. Porsche Crescent headrest is very nice. We also have the carbon package as well. That's available through Tech Equipment, and it's also available through the factory. As we take a look at the closer carbon fiber trim, it's located throughout the car, front and rear doors, also on the dash as well. As we make our way in here, we mentioned Porsche Crescent headrests. Porsche Crescent headrest front and rear, also exclusive design. Carbon fiber trim throughout. As we've gone through the car, we also do want to mention that you can get other Porsche Tech Equipment accessories. Just want to show you here, through Tech Equipment, you can get the all-weather mats, in addition to the standard carpet mats that you get with the vehicle. I wanted to thank you guys for taking a tour of the 2022 Porsche Macan S exclusive edition that we have here at Porsche Silver Spring, finished over in Volcano Gray Metallic. It's certainly a beautiful car. Many different Porsche accessories that you can get through us. And I'd like to thank you again, and have a great day.